Faced with this overgrown keratin, as a hoof trimmer with 2.5 years of experience, how should you handle it? This unfortunate cow is limping because of excessive keratin growth on the inner claw. Without further ado, let's start today's hoof trimming with the grinder. However, the main reason for the cow's lameness is the lack of regular hoof trimming. It's unclear whether the farmer neglected it intentionally or simply forgot. As time passes, the outer claw has taken shape under the grinder's trimming, but upon closer inspection, two black spots of varying severity appear in the center of the sole. To investigate further, the grinder continues to thin the hoof sole, followed by excavation with a hoof knife. Your suspicion is confirmed with the final cut through the keratin layer. You can see internal black lesions. The trimming now focuses on removing this blackened area. The culprit behind the lesion is the overgrown inner claw, which caused the cow to limp and shift all its rear weight onto the outer claw. This suggests that the issue is due to uneven weight distribution. Fortunately, there is no internal abscess. The surface dirt is cleaned with the grinder, marking the completion of the outer claw's trimming. Now, attention shifts to the overgrown inner claw. To ensure a satisfying result for viewers, the hoof trimmer uses the grinder to methodically wear down the keratin. But don't worry, the grinder works at an impressively fast speed. Honestly, I can't understand how the farmer managed to tolerate this situation for so long. From this angle, you can see that the overgrown keratin has gradually curled due to daily walking pressure. To make the trimmed hoof look neat, the trimmer constantly adjusts positions while trimming. After reaching a certain level, it's time for the hoof knife to shine. After all, a well-shaped hoof arch is essential for the cow's well-being. Next, the hoof knife is used to scrape the blackened area on the outer claw. It still seems slightly asymmetrical, so the grinder is used again to fine-tune the inner claw's shape. Now, let's compare the before and after results. If your nails were this long, they'd poke through your shoes. Let's check how the cow walks now. Looking at the symmetrical hooves and its smooth gait, one can only imagine how relieved the cow must feel.